Hi there. Today I'm gonna show you a special dish which is mutton rogan josh. Let's get started. I got here 500 gram of mutton. Mutton shoulder is best because it's well marbled with fat and becomes ultra tender and juicy when slow cooked for a couple of hours. Now let's have a look into the masalas. Half teaspoon of hing or asafoetida and 2 tablespoons of chili powder and 1.5 tablespoon of dry ginger powder. I bought the whole dry ginger and I made powder out of that. Either you can buy the instant packet ginger powder and 1.5 tablespoon of fennel seed powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, and that's it. I'm gonna add 1 cup of water into it and mix into a watery paste. Alright, in the meanwhile, I'll tell you what are the ingredients needed in the garam masala. 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and cumin seed and 1 piece of star anise and 1 stone flower and 8 piece of cardamom and 1 black cardamom and 10 to 12 cloves, 2 pieces of cinnamon and 1 mace. And now slightly roast the masalas together and make a powder out of that. Alright, from the masala, here I am using 1 tablespoon of garam masala for the gravy, 1 black cardamom, 2 bay leaves and 5 to 6 cloves and some ratan chod. I'll tell you about the ratan chod later. Heat up a kadai and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, and when the oil is hot, add black cardamom and cloves and fry for 10 seconds. Let them crackle. And now add the mutton and cook on high heat for 5 to 6 minutes. And some people make this dish in ghee too, so you can choose to ghee or mustard oil. And give it a nice mix and cook until it gets slightly brown color. And stir at intervals or else the mutton will burn out. And now add a generous amount of salt in it and again give it a nice mix. Now add the masala mix into the kadai and cook the mutton for 15 to 20 minutes on medium low heat till done. Give it a nice mix. Alright, now let me say something about the dish. Rogan Josh is a deep red spicy lamb or mutton dish of Persian origin. It was brought to Kashmir by the Mughals. The dish has a thin red colored gravy and a thick layer of oil on top. Okay, now you can see now the masala is getting separate from the oil. Heat cook the mutton in a medium flame. Also, if you notice, the color of mutton is different, right? This means your mutton is gonna have a roasted texture. And when the oil gets separated from the masala, add a cup of water, and this is the perfect time to add the water. And give it a nice mix. And now I'm going to transfer this curry into a cooker. Here I cooked it in a pressure cooker to save time, but in earlier days it was the slow cooking process that made the mutton extremely tender. Close the lid and cook it for 30 minutes in a low flame. Now the mutton is cooked. Again, I'm going to transfer into the kadai. Boil it until it gets slight thickened. Now add the bay leaves into it. And of course, mutton should be very tender by this stage. Heat up a pan and 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is hot, add the Ratan Chod in oil. Keep the flame low or else your Ratan Chod will burn out. Now you can see the red color is coming out. Now off the flame, discard the Ratan Chod from the oil and pour into the curry. The red color of Rogan Josh comes from the liberal amount of Kashmiri red chili powder or Ratan Jod, which is a root of a plant having a deep red color. If Ratan Jod is not available, you can skip. And now I'm gonna add the garam masala and give it a nice mix. Again, cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. Now, as you can see, the color of the curry, it's so amazing, right? Now I'll show you the consistency of the curry. The curry need to be this consistency, not too thick. Once you off the flame, rest it for 10 minutes. You may see the red oil layer of the curry. And that is the perfection of Rogan Josh. If you follow the same procedure, it will come out very perfectly and delicious in taste. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next episode.